Hello, my name is Karl-James, a qualified archaeologist. Those that follow my content will know that I'm massively critical of Cadw Welsh Historic Monuments. This is an organisation set up to safeguard the heritage of Cymru, Wales. Unfortunately, I can't find a single person who's got a good thing to say about it. Recently, I was told that there's not one, but 3 companies developing between Lampeter and Llandovery sites of massive wind turbines, 200 metres tall. In that locality of Dolacothau Pum Saint, there are plans to deschedule protected ancient monuments, sites protected by Cadw, so they can put up wind turbines, that the Roman heritage will be lost forever. If they're protected forever, how are they descheduled to erect these massive wind turbines? Is Cadw protecting our heritage? No.